How to change signature on Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your device, then click on New Mail at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on New Mail at the top left corner of your screen, you will find this kind of screen. At the top, click on Insert. After you've clicked on Insert at the top, you'll find all these options pop up. In here, simply click on Signature. After you click on Signature, it will expand and press on Signatures again. After you press on Signatures again, it will lead you to this page. In here, type in your name and then add your signature in here. Then at the bottom, make sure it's default signature for new messages and also for replies. Then press on Save. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change signature on Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.